Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihanascuisines Cuisines. Today, I think it's really important. I'm going to talk a little bit about fresh turmeric. I know you've heard about powdered turmeric and all that, but I have been doing fresh turmeric for about 4 weeks now, and I see a lot of difference in my health. And so before I start this video, I really want to make sure that everybody knows that I'm not in any healthcare. I'm not a nurse, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist. I am just somebody who takes care of my body, who's having these natural things, and I feel like I need to share these with you because I feel that there is a difference in myself, and I just feel like I want all you guys to feel just as good as I have been for the past couple months. So I did want to show you that this is fresh turmeric, and the fresh turmeric basically looks like this. You can get this, and then when you cut it, you see how there's like this the yellow inside. Now this also, when you are working with this and juicing this, which I'll talk a little bit about it a little bit later, be very careful that the color goes everywhere. It goes in your nails, it goes in your color, if it gets in your outfit. So just make sure that when you're juicing this, you're wearing gloves and that you clean up your station really well. So this basically to me resembles just like a carrot. For some reason, I love it. You can chew on this just like that. And I usually never peel it. And if I am juicing it, I don't peel it at all. But if I am going to sometimes feel like if I'm eating it and there's like hard edges around it, I will kind of clean it off and I'll eat it. So basically, you can just eat this raw. I had a gum in my mouth, but no, this is not very sweet. It's got a little bitter taste to it. And it could also be that sometimes, you know, when you get them on during the season, sometimes you don't get them on the seasons, that would make a difference. But otherwise, they're edible. They're really okay to eat. The other one thing that I want you to make sure and make a note of it is that if you eat a lot of this and don't brush your teeth, your teeth and everything will get discolored, it'll get yellow. And I'll tell you a funny story about it after we get started a little bit. But so this is the fresh turmeric. Now everybody knows the powdered turmeric, which I'll quickly go grab here so I can show you that get turmeric like this. Doesn't have to be a brand, but I did get this from Costco, and I'm not at all getting paid for this, but I did find that this turmeric is amazing. A little bit goes a long way, and it's a really good price on it. So today we're going to be making golden milk, and the golden milk is I use the fresh turmeric in this, and then I do the honey. Now the honey also that you want to use is whichever state or country you are in, you want to use that state and country's honey, because then, you know, they've got the bee pollen stuff in there that will help you with the allergies and stuff. So I'm using Minnesota Farmers Market honey, and I've been using this for a while now, and I love it. So just a little bit about turmeric or haldi or hardar, whatever. So the turmeric or haldi has earned its name for a long list of antioxidants. It's antiviral, it's antibacterial, it's antifungal, it's anti-carcinogen, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it's got all these properties in it. Now, when you use the raw honey, when you're using the fresh turmeric. Now, the fresh turmeric has been said that it has been proven with digestion, bile production that helps with the GI flora. It's excellent antiseptic. It acts as a blood purifier too. So what it does, it helps eliminates toxins from the blood, and also regulates the blood from getting a clot formation. So now the other thing that I've also found that it also maintains blood sugar problems. So it does help with the insulin levels, and I have found that out personally in my own use. But again, I'm not making any and not saying that you should get off any drugs that you're taking or anything like that. This is just a natural way that I've added to the things that I'm doing right now. So if you've watched my video that I talked about my life a little bit, I have said that I did come off the daytime insulins, and I'm just doing the night insulin for now. But that also is because, you know, the whole sugar that I've cut down, and then I've also added Aladdin just bit me. So I had to cut this video, and I had to give him food before I continued, because he wouldn't have let me continue. So anyways, So this is just some of the reasons why I have included the honey in my diet. So basically what I did here is in the morning, I usually juice celery juice for my kids. And what I've done is I've juiced the turmeric powder, or the fresh turmeric, and it gave me this much for about this much. So about a good 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, you're not gonna know, but it just, you know. So what I do is I just add about a good tablespoon of it in my almond milk. So you could do almond milk, you could do coconut milk, you could do whatever milk you like. And then to this, I'm also going to add the honey that I talked about. Now, I know you all know that I'm diabetic, so that's why I am not going to add too much honey in here. But if my sugar goes up a little bit, I don't mind, just because the properties of the honey is so good that I don't mind having a little bit of it. And I don't like it very sweet either. So now this smells already amazing. So you could do it this way. You could add a little bit more if you liked. But the other thing you could do is, I feel like this is giving me the best, optimal results. But what you could also do is make a tea. So for example, you could do, you could cut these up in little slices, put water or milk or whatever you like, then put ginger, you could do cloves, you could do cinnamon, you could do so many other things to make it super healthy. Let it kind of cook in that milk or water that you have, so that it really gets that turmeric out, and you can get the benefits from there. So this is just boiled up once, which is perfect. So now this is done. All I'm going to do is, now I could strain it, but I don't have to. I'm going to have it myself. I'm just going to put it in my cup here, and this is going to be my cup of the milk that I enjoy having every night. This is great for flus, they're great for viruses, they're great for winters, and I would say they're also great in summers, because summers we get a viral infection, we also get flus in the summertime, and because it's got such great benefits, I feel like why not have it 365. So it's great, it's inexpensive. I found this in Whole Foods, but you can find it at any Indian stores or any Asian stores. And I don't know where else, but check your local stores who would carry it. But if you can get this is amazing. So try this out, see what you think. I'll take a sip here and tell you. It's so good. This is the golden milk. This is what we have been brought up with, and it's just coming back to now us again, studying how. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. Please, folks, don't forget to share this video. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification button. So every time a new video is uploaded, you will get an email stating that a video has been uploaded.